Here's a wee cold snap video from a Pontiac Firebird. It's 19th of November in central Scotland, so it's pretty cold outside. Engine's stone cold. It's only started about 3 weeks. I had a bit of bother with it. I had to replace a lot of parts in the HEI distributor. Don't know what the problem was. I put a new coil in it and a new module. It was just cranking over, so I got it to get the module for rock bottom. Got a new coil for real steel. This is all parts, probably just bin them. New coil, cap, rotor arm, and the ignition module. I've heard they're quite bad for the ignition modules going, so I'll probably get a spare and just keep a spare just in case. So I'll do, I've done a walk around video for this car a while ago, but I've done a lot of work to it since then, so I'll try and get another video done, show what's been done to the car. It's getting there, so see how this goes. Before you get gassed. Okay, no choke in the Firebird cab. Obviously it'll speed up a bit once it heats up, but I was running before it idle about 750 when it's fully warm, so it's ideal actually. I'll get something all sorted again. No job lost. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.